Hogwarts uniforms. Yeah,
Okay,
which
we'll
kind
wear
of
'em
sucks,
tomorrow.
but yeah, we're wearing them tomorrow, and it's gonna be awesome.
Yep.
And we're gonna actually be comfortable today, which is good. 'Cause it's like
so excited.
everyone's wearing mittens in Florida, and it's like only 48. Oh my God. There's a sign over there. Is it open? We're gonna go.
Oh,
Do you want to go in there?
yeah, hold
Is it-
on. I think, oh, la, 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 la. Let me see those voucher things really fast.
Okay.
Look at it.
City Walk. City Walk. Everything looks so amazing.
It's good
People
for
are laughing at me, and I don't care because I'm going to Harry Potter World.
the store. Yep, that's it.
Okay, we're going in there. We'll